The thermal skin strategy. In the summer, your skin isn't just oily, it's inflamed. The sun and sweat are a recipe for fungal acne and clogged pores. Stop using your heavy winter moisturizer right now. You need a water-based gel cream transition. But here's the secret. Keep your toner in the fridge. Applying cold antioxidants, like green tea or cucumber water, to your face in the morning constricts the blood vessels and depuffs your face instantly. It's the difference between looking sweaty and looking dewy. And if you aren't using a double cleansing method at night to get that waterproof SPF off, you're literally begging for a breakout. One oil-based cleanser, one water-based. Do not skip this, or your pores will never breathe this summer. The internal liquid filter. You've heard drink water a million times. I'm telling you to eat your water. Plain water often just flushes through you. To get that plump, hydrated summer skin, you need electrolytes and cellular hydration. Start every morning with a glow jar, filtered water, a pinch of Himalayan salt for minerals, and sliced cucumber or mint. The silica in cucumber is the secret to hair and nail strength. Also, we are cutting out liquid heat, excess caffeine, and high-sugar sodas for the next 30 days. These dehydrate your cells and make your skin look dull and tired under the bright sun. If you want that lit-from-within glow, your cells need to be drowning in minerals, not sugar. From frizz to silk, summer is the hardest season for hair. The humidity opens your hair cuticle, and the moisture gets in, causing frizz. To prevent this, we are doing the seal method. Before you even think about styling, you need a lightweight leave-in conditioner that contains a film former, like marshmallow root or flaxseed. Then seal the ends with 2 drops of a dry oil. This creates a barrier that humidity cannot penetrate. Also, pro tip, stop washing your hair with hot water in the summer. It keeps the cuticle open. Finish every shower with a freezing cold rinse. It's uncomfortable for 10 seconds, but it seals the shine and keeps your scalp from overproducing oil in the heat, the body aura, and fragrance. Layering a summer glow-up is multisensory. You want to smell like a summer dream, not a gym locker. Most people make the mistake of just spraying perfume. In 2026, we are fragrance layering. Start with an in-shower body oil, follow with a scented lotion in the same family. Think coconut, citrus, or sea salt, and then hit your pulse points with your perfume. This creates a scent bubble that lasts through the heat. For your body skin, we are focusing on exfoliation. Use a coffee scrub or an AHA body wash twice a week. If you want that bronzed look without the sun damage, exfoliation is the only way to make a self-tanner or body shimmer look natural and not patchy. The summer mindset and energy shift. The biggest part of the summer project is your energy. If you're hiding, people can feel it. If you're confident, people can see it. We are implementing the sunset walk habit. 20 minutes of movement when the sun is going down. It lowers your cortisol, improves your sleep, and gives your skin a natural flush. Stop doom scrolling perfect influencers and start being the main character of your own summer. Protect your peace. Sleep 8 hours. Move your body because you love it, not because you hate it. When you feel good internally, your external appearance shifts automatically.